solution for the given function, correct, right? But in case of metric method, we are going to find all the possibilities. So how many minimum solution we will be getting from that function, we are going to find all the possible minimum solution for the given function. Okay, next we have the map entered variable. Now we have already three methods. Why we need to go for the one more method? So why here means, so in the queen necklace key we use the function with the large number of variables. So when you have the large number of variables, it's better to go for the queen necklace key. But queen necklace key is not efficient for the function in the function which we have many variables with less number of terms. Less number of terms is min terms. Like that they will give a m of 2, 3, 5 or like that and all. So when we have functions with many variables but less number of terms, queen necklace key is not appropriate. So queen necklace key is appropriate when we have the maximum number of variables. That's the reason we are going to use the MEV technique. So Queen-Necklace key is not fair efficient for the functions that have many variables and relatively small terms. So in such a cases, we are going to use the map entered variable. So what is this map entered variable? Map entered variable is the corn map technique. We are going to extend the corn map technique. That's it. So in the map entered variable, we are going to reduce the one number of variable. Okay, so otherwise means the way how we will solve for theory and how we will solve for the lab, I think Mansa ma'am explained in the last Saturday lab slot, correct, right? So in the lab, when we come to the MEV, we are going to reduce the one variable. Okay. So in the theory, when we are going to do the map entered variable, just we are going to simplify the Boolean expression. How? Just we are going to extend the K-map technique. We already know how to use the K-map technique and all, correct, right? So here we are going to modify, just we are going to extend the K-map technique. So here we are going to use more than four variables. So when we studied the K-map, just we studied up to four variables, correct, right? Two variable, three variable, four variable in the K-map. So we told K-map is not suitable for more than four, but here we are going to use the four or more than four variable, but we are not going to use the same technique. Here we are going to use the different techniques. That is the reason we are going to use the extended version of K-map here to find out the minimum expression. Only that this is the thing why we are going to use the MEV technique other than those three techniques. Are you clear? Some basic are you clear? Guys, are you clear why we are using MEV? No one is replying. Everyone slept or what? 11:30 itself. So MEV is nothing but map entered variable. So till now we studied the queen necklace and Petric as well as K map to find out the minimized version of the Boolean expression or simplification of the given Boolean function. Correct, right? So queen necklace key is fair, means it is useful when we have large number of variables and when we have large number of variables, correct, right? But the queen necklace key method is not efficient for the function where we have the many number of variables with less number of terms, correct, right? So when we have many number of variables with less number of terms, we are going to solve using the map entered variable technique. So how we are going to find using the MEV means just we are going to modify the kmap method here. Just we are going to modify the kmap method. So by using the MEV, kmap technique can be extended to simplify the function with more than 4 or 5 variables, correct, right? So just previously we have used only the kmap technique. Here in the MEV we are going to extend the kmap technique what we studied for 4 or more than 4 variables. That's it. We'll start the problem, then you'll understand. Take down the question. Take down the first question. Using a map entered variable, using map entered variable or MEV, using map entered variable or MEV, find the minimum SOP expression, find the minimum SOP expression, find the minimum SOP expression for the following function. For the following function. Get to the question. So using MEV or map entered variable, find the minimum SOP expressions for the following function. For the following function. Take down the function. Take down the function. Copied. Copied the question. Class. Okay. So now, first what we need to do here is we need to construct a truth table. Can you construct the truth table for this? Construct the truth table. So when A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 1 with irrespective value of D, whether it can be 0 or 1, the output will be 1. Construct a truth table. So just written all the combination. Once you finish the writing the combination, fill the function. So here A bar B bar C. A bar B bar C means 0 0 1. Where you will get 0 0 1 C here. So 0 0 1. A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 1. For these two combination, A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 1 with irrespective value of variable D. Whether value of D can be 0 or whether the value of D can be 1, your output will be 1. Your output will be 1. Next, A bar B C. A bar B C means 0 1 1. Where you will get 0 1 1 in these two combinations. In these two combinations. So when A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 1 with the respective value of D, your function will be 1. Your output will be 1. Next I have A bar B C bar D, that is 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Where you get 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 is here. So this will be 1. That's also will be 1. Next A B C D. A B C D means last combination, that is also output is 1. Output is 1. So this is done. Next I have D. D is nothing but don't care entries. Don't care entries A B bar C, that is 101. Where you will get 101 here, 101. So A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 1 with the respective value of D, the output will be don't care. Output will be don't care. Remaining all entries will be 0. Remaining all entries are 0. Remaining all entries are 0. Guys, have you completed till here? If the truth table is correct, what you got? All of you got the same truth table. Okay. Listen here. So once you completed with truth table, from MEV, we will be reducing one variable. We will be reducing one variable means in the given function we have three variables. Correct, right? We are going to have a four variables. Now I am going to reduce one variable in the sense this four variable will be reduced to three variables. So now I am going to make a group. Why I am going to make a group? I am going to reduce one variable. So how you can reduce the variable? Just check here. These two combination you check. So the value ABC are same. The value ABC are same. It is going to differ only with the variable D. Similarly, take next two combination. First three variables are same, only it is going to differ with last variable. When you take another two combination, A, B, C values are same, again it is going to differ with the one bit, that is your D. So in such a way that we are going to group it to reduce the one variable, the variable which is having different value. Okay, so now I am going to combine these two. Now I am going to combine these two. So when I combine these two with their respective value of D, so the output is 0. With irrespective value of the variable D, the both the output of the function is 0. So this will become 0. For both the combination, the output is 0 with irrespective value of D. When D equal to 0, output is 0. When D equal to 1, output equal to 0. So the output is 0. This is represented as D naught. This is represented as D naught. Next, take another combination. Next, take another combination. That is 0 0 1. So here both the outputs are 1. See the value of D. When D equal to 0, output is 1. When D equal to 1, output is 1. So you are going to get it as a 1. So this is represented by D1. This is represented as D1. Why we are going to get D naught, D1? So totally we have 16 combination. Correct, right? So totally 2 to the power of 4 means we have 16 combination. Now I am going to reduce from 4 variables to 3 variables. 3 variables means I should get 8 combinations. So that is 2 to the power of 3. I should get 8 combinations. So to obtain, I am going to obtain D naught to D7. Similarly combine next to 2. Similarly combine next to. So here look at the function output value. So I have 0 as well as 1. So when we have the output value as a different value, then you have to check the D value. So when D equal to 0, output is 0. When D equal to 1, output is 1. So the output value are same as the variable D. So this is written as D. So this is my D2. This is my D2. Next, check the next two combination. See here both the output functions are 1. So when the both the functions are 1, don't take the value of D. With the respective value of D, both the functions are 1. So take it as a 1 here. And this is represented as D3. This is represented as D3. Okay. Next, take the next two combination. Next combination you take. So here also both output values are 0 with the respective value of D. So take it as a 0. So this is D4. This is D4. Next take two combination. So both are don't care. Take it as a don't care. So this is D5. D5. Some combination I left. Which one I left? I think 14 I left. So here I need to the 15 I left. Correct, right? So that is 1 for 15 output is 1. It's good. 1, output is 1. Next combine next two combination. Combine these two combinations. So both the functions outputs are 0. So take it as a 0. This is D6. This is D6. These two combination. These two combination. See, I have function values is 0 and 1. When we have different value, you have to look at the value of D. So when the value of D equal to 0, output is 0. Value of 1 equal D equal to 1, you have a output 1. So this is similar to D. So this is your D7. This is your D7. Guys, are you clear how I grouped? Are you clear how I grouped? In the question they have mentioned, right? Actually, here it is SOP itself. SOP. See what they are given in the question. In this question, they have mentioned SOP itself. In the question, they have mentioned SOP itself. Sometimes, if they won't mention SOP here, in the function, they will give sigma small m. Sigma small m. So, okay, now we have 8 variables. Now we got reduce this 16 combinations to 8 combinations. Now how to fill this schema? How to fill this schema? So now we have taken D as MEV. Now we have taken variable D as MEV. See, by seeing this last column value, we have grouped this, correct, right? So we have taken variable D as MEV. We have taken variable D as MEV. So this you should know which variable we have taken it for the MEV. Now I need to take the two values, two K maps. One when D equal to 0 and another one is when D equal to 1. First let me write it for D equal to 0. So here we will be taking variable A, then here I will be taking variable BC. If it's there in lowercase, we'll use the same later. You should not. So here I'll take A, here I'll take BC. So this is 0, this is 1. Here I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So this bit represents D naught, same way how we have done in the K map. Means there we have used only 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct, right? Here D naught, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, sorry, D6 is here, D6 is here, D7 is here. Okay. Now according to this value, just fill this value. So what is there in D naught? D naught, I have 0, D1, 1, D2 is D. D2 is D. But what value I have taken for D? That is 0. So D2 will be 0. D3 is 1. D4 0. D5 don't care. D6 0. D7 equal to D, but the value of D is 0. Value of D is 0. Now once you fill the schema, next same process, we are going to group it for 1. We are going to group it for 1. Quad is possible, octa is possible, octa also not possible, quad is possible, but we will obtain pair. We are going to obtain the pair. So after grouping what we got, this is equal to, this is equal to, so a bar, term C will get cancelled. Sorry, term B will get cancelled. We are left out with C. The value of C equal to 1. So that is A bar C. A bar C. So which means that when D equal to 0, when D equal to 0, we got the minimized expression as A bar C. We got minimized expression is A bar C, that we can label it as a MS not MS 0. MS 0. Now I need to plot one more K map when D equal to, when D equal to 1. D equal to 1. D equal to 1. Only a d value will change. Let me write it from beginning only. People should not get confused. Okay, now I am going to take d equal to 1. D equal to 1. Now fill the camera. So what is d naught? D naught equal to 0. What about d1? D1 is 1. Write 1. D2, D2 is D. D2 is D, but what value I have taken for D? That is 1. So here I have 1 now. So what about D3? D3 is 1. D4, D4 is 0, 0. D5 is don't care. D6 is 0. Whatever D7, D7 equal to D, the value of D equal to 1. So this is how I got. This is the thing I got. Now again go for grouping. Again go for grouping and write the simplified expression. Okay, when you are taking for the next time, listen here guys. See when d equal to 1, when d equal to 1, only wherever d you will be having those two values will be 1. So wherever the defaults 1 will be there, that will be taken as a don't care. That will be taken as a don't care. Please keep it in the mind or make a note of that. See, these are defaults 1, correct, right? These are defaults 1. When after finding when d equal to 0, when you are going to find out for d equal to 1, these default ones will become don't care. These defaults one will become don't care. So what we are going to obtain here, is it possible to obtain quad? Is it possible to obtain quad? Guys, are we going to obtain quad from this second K-map? How we are going to group? How many groups are we going to get? One quad, one pair. So we will be getting one quad here and one pair. One quad and one pair. So what is the minimized expression we will get? That is ms1 equal to ms1 equal to what you will get it for quad. See, a term 0 1 will get cancelled, b term will get cancelled, we are left out with c. Left out with c plus right for this pair. So here a is 0, so that is a bar into c will get cancelled, left out with b, so that is ab. So this is the minimized expression for this one. Now what we need to do, once we finish this, we need to add these two minimized expression, that is going to give the final minimized expression for the given function. So what is that? So f equal to ms naught plus d into ms1. Why we are multiplying here because we are taken d value equal to 1, so we need to multiply the d value over there. Okay, next equal to ms naught means a bar c plus d into ms1 means c plus a bar b, c plus a bar b, that is equal to that is equal to that is equal to so a bar c plus multiply that cd plus a bar bd, a bar bd. So this is the minimized expression. This is the minimized expression for the given function. So what happened here? Write down, guys. Write down. Rewrite this function once again. So f equal to ms naught plus ms1 equal to ms naught means a bar c plus d into c plus a bar b. This is equal to a bar c plus dcd or dc, anything is fine, into sorry plus a bar bd. So this is the final minimized expression for the given function. Are you clear? Guys, are you clear? Any doubts? Okay, copy it fast. Copy fast. Hey, ma'am. Class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಮ್ ಚಲ್ಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತೀರಿ ಅದೇ guys please write down fast. Finished? Finished. Others? Okay, take the next problem. Take the next problem. So f of abcd equal to f of b comma b comma c comma d equal to sigma m of 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 13 comma 15 plus don't care of 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma 11. Someone asked, right, how to find out whether they will ask SOP only. So here they are mentioned sigma followed by small n. Sigma followed by small n means it is SOP itself. So write down the truth table fast. Write the truth table and find out D naught to D sum. Okay, first let's write the truth table. Now write down function you write down. Wherever these minterms are there, there you write 1. Wherever these don't care interests are there take it as a x. So 0 is there, no. So it's 0. Next 1 is there, 1 is there, no, that is also 0. Next 2 is there, yes 2 is there, so output is 1. 3 is there, yes output is 1. 4 is there, yes output is 1. 5 is there, output is 1. 6 not there, so 0, 0, 7, 0, 8. 8 is don't care. 9 don't care. 10 don't care. 11 don't care. 11 also don't care. Next 12, 0, 0, 13, 1, 14, 0, 15. Is that truth table correct? Guys, is the truth table correct? Everybody got same? Okay. Next you need to go for grouping. Do the grouping. Those who can do solve, those who still don't know to solve, listen here. Okay, first combination 2 I got. First I got 2. Correct, right? So here both the output functions are 0. So make it as a 0. So this is represented as D naught. D naught. Next two combination outputs are 1. So when both the functions are 1, no need to look for the D value. So this is D1. For next two combination also you got 1. So this is your D2. So next combination you got it as a 0. So this is D3. D3. Here don't care. Here don't care. This is D4. D5. Okay. Now you see. this combination C. So outputs are 0, 1. When it is like this, you need to look for the value of D. Value of D. So what is D? D equal to 0, output is 0. D equal to 1, output is 1. So this is same as D. That is same as D. So this is your D6. That is your D6. Next combination also, when D equal to 0, output is 0. When D equal to 1, output is 1. So this is also D. So this you are going to get D7. Now I reduced 2 to the power of 4 to 2 to the power of 3. Once you done this, plot the K map. Plot the K map. Plot the K map. So I have taken variable D as MEB. So MEB variable here is D. So here it is A. Here it is BC. BC. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So now this table is for D equal to 0. Down I'll write. This K map is for D equal to 0. Okay. Same way I'm going to copy this once again. This is for D equal to 1. This is for D equal to 1. Now you fill. Fill. So D naught is 0, 1, 1, 2 is 1, 3 is 0, 4 is don't care, 5 is don't care, 6 is D, 6 is D. What value we have taken? We have taken D as a 0, so 6 is 0, 7 is D, so we have taken D as a 0. Okay, 0. Now you people group. I'm not going to group. You people should group and you should give the MS0 and MS1. Okay, now I am going to fill D equal to 1. So this is 0. Previous one will become don't care. Previous one will become don't care. So where I had all D, that will become 1. 6 and 7. 6 and 7 will become 1. The remaining all are as it is. Okay. Find out the expression, minimum expression. Fast. F equal to B bar C, A bar B, C bar plus AD. Yes, Aditya, correct. Lavani, I'll check your answer once. Lavani, your answer is not correct. Aditya said Ankit's correct. No, you can take it as a 1. You can take it as a 1. So from this, you will be getting as a 1 pair and single one. 1 pair and single one. Here you will take it as a quad. You are going to get it as a quad. So in this expression, you will get ms not equal to ms not equal to A will get cancelled, left out with B bar C. B bar C plus A bar B C bar. A bar B C bar. Similarly here these 4 terms will get cancelled. Okay, 0 0 1 1 will get cancelled, 0 1 1 0 will get cancelled. So ms1 equal to A. Okay, ms1 equal to A. So last what you are going to get, f equal to People gave only A or DA. Yes, it's correct. So MS naught plus D into MS1. D into MS1. Okay. This is equal to MS naught means B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus B into A. So this is your final minimized expression for the given function. Okay. Finished. Hope everyone finished copy. Yes. Are any doubts you can ask? Any doubts? Ravani, are you clear with your doubts? Okay. Let's move to the next problem. Take down this question. Take down this question. So here we have 6 variables. Please write down fast. So once you copy, please drop the message. Finished? Guys, finished copying the question. What about others? Hardly 5 to 6 people will reply. I don't know what rest of you people are doing. Okay. Okay. Now you listen to one problem. So maximum they will ask this kind of problem. So listen to one problem. Later you can solve the remaining problem. So here also we have 6 variables. So maximum we know how to plot the K-map for the 4 variables. So when it is like this, we have to go for the see. When it is 4 variables, we can reduce this to 3 variables, that we know. So grouping order. So when they will give more than 4 variables, whether it is 5 or 6, so what you do here is directly go for the mapping. Directly directly go for the K map. No need to write the truth table under. Okay. No need to write the truth table. Okay. So what are the entries they are given? They are given E and F here. So for the K map, you need to take ABCD. You need to take ABCD. So here A B C D 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So M naught means that is 1. So in these entries there will be 1. So M naught is here 1, M2 0 1 M2 is 1, M3 is 1, M5. In the cell M5, you will be having M5 means in the cell number M5, you will be having the variable E. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the cell 5, you will be having E. 6 is not there. 7 E is there. Write down E here. Okay. Next 8. 8 is not there. 9. In the cell 9, I have F. In the cell 9, I have F. Okay. 9. 10 not there. 11. 1. 12 no, 13 no, 14 no, 15 I have 1. Next I left out with don't care. Now I need to go for the don't care. Don't care is 1, then 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is here. Okay. 10, 13. 13 is here. So remaining all entries are 0. Yes, are you clear with this? How I filled K-map. So when we have more than 4 variables, no need to write the K-map. No need to write the truth table. Just take the K-map and fill the K-map. Any doubts here how I filled it? Any doubts? How I have filled it? No. Okay. Next, once you fill this, what you need to take? You have two more extra variable apart from ABCD. Correct, right? So now you need to take. Now you need to take when E equal to 0, F equal to 0. E equal to 0, F equal to 0 table you need to take. Okay. So now I am going to take the K map. In that K map, E equal to 0, F equal to 0. So in place of E and F, place 0. In place of E and F, place zeros. Okay. E and F, place zeros. Because I have taken it as a 0. Take it as a 0. Now find out the expression. How we are going to find out the expression? You are going to make a group. So what groups you will get? How many groups you will get? Can anyone tell? What is possible? What is there? What is not possible? Okay, quad. Apart from quad, next what you are going to get? Or tell me the number of groups. Number of groups and which are those? Number of groups and which are those? Aditya saying one quad, one pair. Kavya and Ankit saying one quad, two pairs. See, one pair is less or two pair is less? One pair is less or two pairs are less? So we are going for the minimum expression. So we are grouping here. See, one quad is possible. Make a quad. Make a quad. Now see, either you can group pair like this, even you can pair like this. In if you are going to group like this, you are going to get a two pair. So instead of making the pair like this, if I make a pair like this, I am going to minimize the expression. Instead of two products, I will get only one product. I'm going to get only one product. Okay. So once you are done with this, next you have to take, you people write down the expression. People should write the expression and give the answer to me. Okay, next combination I'm taking here. Next combination I'm taking here. E equal to 1, E equal to 1, F equal to 0. E equal to 1, F equal to 0. This combination. Okay, means in place of E you are going to place 1, in place of F you are going to place 0. Guys, please keep it in the mind. Wherever the function default 1 are there, all will become don't care. All will become don't care. These all entries will become don't care. Okay, so that will become don't care. So that you can verify from the first K map. So this becomes don't care, don't care. This cell is don't care. This cell is don't care. This is don't care. This is don't care. Okay. Wherever E are there you need to place 1. Where I had E 6, 5 and 7. So in these two cells I am going to place 1 because E equal to 1. In place of 7 it is 0. So that I'll keep as it is. Okay. Now you group. How you'll group this? How you'll group this? So what you are going to get? How many groups you will get from this schema? One quad. Can anyone give the answer for the first one? MS not. Please anyone give the answer for MS not for this one. I'll copy and keep. MS not equal to. Anyone answer for MS1 please? A bar, B bar, ACD. A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar plus ACD. Similarly for MS1. Similarly for MS1. MS1 equal to MS1 equal to A bar D, A bar D. So here we did with quad. Guys, here in two ways you can do quad. Okay, guys. So this way also you can do quad, or this way also you can do quad. A bar D is for this quad. Those who are paired with this don't care also, no problem. Okay, if you are cross grouped with this, don't erase it. That is also correct. The terms you will be getting different. That's it. So next you have to take one more truth table. Hope you copied till here. Otherwise I will display it in the. Okay. Now you need to take first one. Now you need to take another table when both are first we got both are 0, next E equal to 1, F equal to 0, next E equal to 0, F equal to 1, E equal to 0, E equal to 0, F equal to 1, F equal to 1. So first previous ones will become don't care. This is don't care, this is don't care, this is don't care, this is don't care, this is don't care. So make it as a don't care. Don't care, don't care. Cell E0, F is 1. Cell E0, F is 1. E0, E0, F is 1. Now how we are going to group? How you will group? So what you are going to get? So MS3 equal to AD. So you are going to get a quad over there. Correct, right? So here you can make quad. So MS3 equal to, so MS3 equal to, MS3 equal to AD. Correct, right? C, B will get cancelled, left out with A. Here C will get cancelled, AD. Okay. Once you are done this, then going to find, write the final answer. Write the final answer. So no need. I think you people are getting doubt that why we are not going to calculate for E equal to 1, F equal to 1. So when E equal to 1, F equal to 1, no need to calculate. For other three combinations, you need to calculate. Later, don't scratch your head. When both the combinations are 1, no need to find out. So to calculate the final one, F equal to, F equal to ms naught plus ms1. So what is ms1? In ms1, which value we are taken as a 1? E equal to 1. So E into ms1 plus in ms2, which one I have taken, ms naught or ms1 directly? 1 3. So okay, instead of 2 I have taken 3. Instead of 2 I have taken 3. I will write it as ms3 only. Okay, ms1 plus f into ms3. This is equal to ms naught means, what is ms naught? Ms naught equal to a bar b bar acd. A bar b bar plus acd plus e into a bar d. So that you can write directly. E into a bar d. Guys, if the variables are in the uppercase, write it in the uppercase. If it is in the lowercase, write it in the lowercase. Okay. A, B, C, D, I have taken lowercase, so I am writing it in the lowercase. If you have taken in the uppercase, better write it in uppercase. Okay. Next, F into MS3 is AD. So this is the final minimized expression. Everybody got? Guys, are you clear? If they give more than one variable, how to solve? Are you clear? Any doubts? Any doubts in this? Okay. I have one more problem. Take down the question. Take down the question. F of ABCD equal to F of B comma B comma C comma D comma E. F of E comma B comma C comma D comma E equal to sigma m of 0 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 plus plus sigma of b of 6 comma 11. So if this is 9, this is 9. Yes, so directly you can place the k-mark. No need to write the truth table because I have 5 variables. So A B here plus E of, what is the question? E of M1 plus M15. M1 plus M15. Now take it here. A B C D 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, 0 this is there, 1 2 sorry, 0 is 1, next 1 1 is there in the E M1, so this cell is E 0 1 2 2 not there, 0 3 not there, 0 4 1 5 is 1, 6 is don't care, 7 is 1, 8 0 9 1, 10 is 0, 11 don't care, 12 is 0, 13 0, 14 0, 15 is E. This truth table is correct. Check once. Is the truth table is correct what I written? Or if anything is wrong, please let me know. Is the truth table correct? Okay. What's your next job? Now find out when E equal to 0, when E equal to 1. So only when one extra variable is there, only two possibilities. When E equal to 0, when E equal to 1. E equal to 1. So when E equal to 1, wherever E are there, cell E are there, make it as a 1. So now E equal to 0. So this cell and this cell will become 0. This cell and this will become 0. So how many groups are going to get when E equal to 0? How how many groups are you going to get when E equal to 0? 3. Which are those, Kavya? Okay, 1 quad, 2 pair. Okay, guys, write on the expression. So this is the quad. This is 1 pair. This is another pair. Write down MS not. So for the second table, default one will become X. This it will become don't care. Default one will become don't care. Hmm. Next cell E will become 1. Cell E will become 1. So now what you will get? When A equal to 1, how many groups you will get? When E equal to 1, how many groups are you going to get? 2. That is, which are those, Karthik? 1 quad, 1 pair. Very good. 1 quad, sorry, that is quad. 1 quad, 1 pair. See, once again, while making a pair, you have a choice. Either you can do these two or you can do these two. So that is left to you. So MS not equal to, let me write it for quad. It is A bar B plus, for first pair, corner pair, B will get cancelled. A bar, C bar, D bar plus vertical pair A B bar, D. Next, MS1 equal to, first let me write it for quad. B term will get cancelled. A is 0, so that is A bar. A bar, again D will get cancelled, left out with C. C is 0, so that is A bar, C bar. Plus for pair, B term will get cancelled, so it is A, B, C. Everybody got same? Guys, everybody got same? Okay, once it is done, find out the final expression. F equal to, let me write final expression. F equal to MS naught plus E into MS1 plus E into MS1. Okay. What is MS naught? A bar B plus A bar C bar D bar plus A A B bar B plus E into A bar C bar plus A B C. Okay. This is equal to
Excuse me, ma'am, it should be ACD in place of ABC.
ACD.
Yes, ma'am. ACD.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Thanks, ma. So this is AC. ACB. ACB. So F equal to A bar B plus A bar C bar D bar plus A B bar D plus E into that. E into that means A bar C bar E plus A C D E. So this is the final expression of the given function. Is that correct now? Guys, is this correct? Guys, any doubt? Any doubts? Others? Okay. Don't take this for homework. Take the expression for the homework. So in place of M1 and M12, you will be having E. In place of M1 and M12, E will be having E. So this is don't care. 2 comma 9 are don't care. Just copy this. Do it after the class. I have one more problem that you do here. Okay. In meeting go. Okay. So here you have only one. You have to find out two k maps. One equal to 0, one equal to 1. One more equal to 0. Next you have A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F. So this is equal to sigma of m of 0 comma 3 comma 13 comma 15 plus sigma of d of 1 comma 12 comma sorry 1 comma 2 comma 7 comma 9 comma 15 plus e of m6 plus m8 m6 plus m8 plus f of m5 plus m12. Guys, can you do this as a homework both? Can you take it as a homework both? But I want you to solve. You guys are saying no doubts. So when there are no doubts in the problems what I solved today, then I am sure 100%, not 100%, 200% you can solve these two. Okay, first one only two k-map equal to 0, e equal to 1, but here I have extra two variable e and f, so three k-maps. E equal to 0, f equal to 0, e equal to 1, f equal to 0, e equal to 0, f equal to 1. No need to find out when both are 1. Okay, so these are ones, these are don't guess. 6 and 8 are e, 5 and 12 are f. Are you clear? Any doubts in the question? Guys, please reply fast. Guys, fast, please reply any doubts in the given problem. Can you solve those? Can you solve those? Okay. Answer the next 1 to 5. Fast. Answer me please. 1 to 5. Meeting go. Bande bande. One is absent. Okay. 3. Absent 4. Absent 5. Absent 6 to 10. 10 is absent. 10 is present. 11 to 15. Please guys fast. Attendance ತಗೋಬರ್ತೀನಿ. 16 to 20. 18 absent. 19. 20. 20 is absent. 25. 27, 28, 29, 30. 27 is absent. 28 is there. 29 is there. 30, 31, 32, 33. 33, 34, 35. 33 absent. 36, 37, 38. 40. 40 is absent. 41 to 45. 46 to 50. 50. 51 to 55. 52 is absent. Okay. 59. 60. Okay, 60 absent. 61 absent. 64, 65, 66. Guys, in between, don't give your USNs. If it is one day, I can tolerate. If it is every day, I cannot. 68, 69, 70. 69, 70 absent. 71 to 75. 74 absent. Okay, 76 to 80. 79, 80. 81 to 85. 83 absent. 84. Okay. 84. 84. 86 to